This image is a promotional product template design showcasing a line of biotin shampoo under the label Majestic Pure Cosmeceuticals, with an emphasis on hair health and growth. The shampoo bottles are placed prominently against a visually vibrant background featuring fresh AMLA Indian gooseberry fruit and tropical red foliage, enhanced with water droplets to signify hydration and freshness. The bold, stylized text AMLA and hair oil draws attention to the natural ingredients and product category, suggesting that the shampoo may be enriched with AMLA extract, known for its nourishing properties. This design effectively combines natural elements with product imagery to convey health, vitality, and premium care. The importance of such a product template in business promotion lies in its ability to deliver clear and consistent brand messaging through visual appeal and strategic composition. A well-crafted template like this grabs attention instantly, helps build brand identity, and emotionally connects with the target audience by highlighting benefits such as sulfate-free and supports healthy hair growth. It also enables businesses to maintain a uniform look across various marketing platforms, websites, social media, ads, and packaging, enhancing credibility and customer trust. By visually aligning products with consumer values like health, beauty, and nature, templates boost engagement and increase the likelihood of conversion. Furthermore, product templates streamline marketing workflows, allowing for quick adaptation to new campaigns while preserving brand coherence. Ultimately, the thoughtful use of product templates plays a pivotal role in boosting visibility, influencing buying decisions, and driving consistent sales growth in a competitive marketplace.